Hey, Cinderella, I want to say I love you, yeah. I want to say I love you. You're the best. I love you too. I love you very much. You are the best. You're a good princess too. Yeah, you are a good princess. Yeah, I'm so in love with you. I give my best for you. Oh yeah, I give my best for you. You're the princess of my dreams. You're a little dreamer. Yeah, you are. You're a huge dreamer. Make your dreams come true. Yeah, it's a dream come true. My only opportunity is to love you so. Yeah, my only opportunity is to fall in love with you. You are so wonderful. You're the best in the world. Yeah, you are. You're wonderful as well. Yeah, you're wonderful too. Don't be so grumpy. Don't fuss at me. Stop and listen to what I have to tell you. Maybe there is some hope for us. Come on, Cinderella, there should be hope for us. Yeah, 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 I believe in you, so don't give up hope. I want to make my dreams come true. So don't give up. You've done it all for me. You grumpy prince, you grumpy old prince that snores all the time. You always snore too much. But I don't have my Inspire Me, Cinderella. Please understand that. And I'm sleeping. Go in your own bed, Cinderella. Fine, I'm sleeping on the couch. I'm not gonna sleep next door to you. I'm going to the couch, because you snore from the other room. Yeah, you snore from the other room. It is very loud and annoying too. You are also making a mess too. You never made your bed at all. No wonder you're so restless too. You snore too much. Yeah, the snoring prince. Yeah, the grumpy old prince who snores all the time.